Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best self-cleaning water bottles available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a premium option, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the countdown. At rank number 5, we have the Vsitoo Hydrogen Water Bottle, a premium offering designed for health-conscious individuals who want more than just clean water. This bottle generates up to 5,000 ppb hydrogen in just 10 minutes, enhancing hydration with beneficial hydrogen ions that can help reduce oxidative stress, boost immunity, and even improve sleep quality. It's crafted with an aluminum alloy shell and glass exterior, giving it a sleek, modern look that stands out. The silicone lanyard adds portability, making it ideal for sports, home, or office use. In terms of performance, the Vsitoo bottle offers 3 innovative modes: single production mode for quick hydrogen generation, auto refresh mode to maintain hydrogen levels throughout the day, and a dedicated self-cleaning mode to ensure hygiene. The breathable vent at the bottom efficiently releases residual gases, adding an extra layer of safety. While the build quality is impressive, featuring stainless steel and silicone components for durability, its compact 360 milliliter capacity may feel limiting for some users. The Vsitoo Hydrogen Water Bottle is priced at $139.99, making it the most expensive option on our list. While the price might deter casual users, it's a worthwhile investment for those prioritizing health benefits and advanced features. Pros include its cutting-edge technology, premium build quality, and health-focused functionality. However, the steep cost and smaller capacity are notable cons. If you're looking for a high-tech, wellness-oriented bottle, this one is for you. Coming in at rank number 4 is the UV Bright UV Self-Cleaning and Water Purifying Bottle. This bottle is perfect for those who enjoy outdoor activities or need an emergency use solution. It features UVC LED technology that purifies water by eliminating harmful bacteria and viruses. The safety lock ensures that the UV light doesn't accidentally expose users, making this bottle both effective and safe. With a stylish stainless steel design and a cyan blue exterior, it's visually appealing while remaining functional. Performance-wise, the UV Bright bottle provides reliable water purification without requiring additional filters or chemicals. Its insulated design keeps drinks hot or cold for extended periods, making it versatile for various environments. However, it lacks the convenience of automatic cleaning modes found in higher-ranked bottles. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery supports consistent use, but the absence of included batteries might be inconvenient for some users. At $39.99, it's an affordable option that balances features and price well. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness, the UV Bright bottle excels in portability and safety. Pros include its effective UVC purification, safety lock, and durable stainless steel build. Cons include the lack of advanced automation and a slightly bulkier design. Overall, it's a solid mid-range option for those looking for reliable water purification on the go. At rank number 3, we have the Philips Water GoZero Smart Water Bottle. Known for their innovative designs, Philips delivers a UV self-cleaning bottle that automatically activates every 2 hours to keep your water fresh and odor-free. Its double-walled vacuum insulation ensures your drinks stay hot for up to 12 hours or cold for up to 24 hours, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The magnetic USB charging system is convenient, allowing the bottle to stay clean for up to 30 days on a single charge. The design is sleek and functional, featuring a blue stainless steel body with a comfortable handle for easy portability. It's BPA-free, ensuring safety and reducing your carbon footprint compared to disposable bottles. While the UV cleaning is effective, the bottle's performance may feel slightly underwhelming due to its 3.8-star average rating, which suggests some inconsistencies in user experience. Additionally, the dishwasher-safe body, excluding the cap, adds convenience to maintenance. Priced at $49.99, this bottle offers a great balance of features and affordability. Pros include robust insulation, automatic UV cleaning, and a user-friendly design. Cons include slightly lower customer ratings compared to higher-ranked products and the exclusion of dishwasher compatibility for the cap. Overall, it's a dependable bottle for those seeking simplicity and performance without breaking the bank. Coming in at rank number 2 is the Vsitoo 33-ounce Smart Self-Cleaning Water Bottle, a feature-packed option designed with smart hydration in mind. This bottle boasts one-touch cleaning through its lid screen and an auto-cleaning mode for daily maintenance. The safety lock prevents accidental exposure to UV light, ensuring user safety. Its LED screen displays real-time water temperature with a 3-color warning system, making it as functional as it is stylish. The bottle is made from 304 food-grade stainless steel with double-wall insulation, keeping drinks cold for up to 24 hours. It's IPX7 rated waterproof and offers up to 30 days of battery life per charge thanks to its magnetic USB charger. The larger 33-ounce capacity makes it ideal for gym-goers and travelers who need more hydration on the go. While it supports app connectivity for managing features, it also operates independently, offering versatility to all types of users. At $59.99, the Vsitoo Smart Bottle is a fantastic option for those seeking advanced features without stepping into the premium price range. Pros include its extended battery life, advanced cleaning functionality, and large capacity. Cons include its slightly heavier build and higher price compared to simpler models. Perfect for tech-savvy individuals and fitness enthusiasts. This bottle is a close contender for the top spot. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.